Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable volume adjustment per app. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Here you can see sounds and vibration. Press on this. Now here you can see volume adjustment per app. You just have to press on this. If you want to enable your volume adjustment for your per app, you just have to turn on this button. And you also have to turn on the reminder adjustment result. That's it. So this is how to enable volume adjustment per app. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.